In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a line graph. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can quickly turn your data into a clear visual chart inside Google Sheets. A line graph is especially useful when you want to show change over time, compare trends, or make your spreadsheet easier to understand at a glance. To begin, open Google Sheets and start with a blank sheet, or the sheet where you want to build your graph. The first thing you need to do is organize your data properly. In the first column, write your tracking timeline. This could be days, weeks, months, years, or any sequence that shows progression over time. This first column will act as the horizontal axis of your graph, so make sure the order is logical and consistent. Next, in the columns beside that first one, enter your numerical variables. These are the values you want to measure and display on the graph. For example, you might be tracking sales, temperature, website visits, or any other number-based data. Keeping each variable in its own column helps Google Sheets recognize the structure correctly and makes the graph cleaner and easier to read. Once your full dataset is entered, select all of it. Make sure you highlight both the timeline column and all of the numerical columns you want included. With your dataset selected, go to the Insert menu at the top of the screen and choose Chart. Google Sheets will then automatically generate a chart based on the data you provided. At this point, you may already see a line graph appear, depending on how your data is arranged. If not, don't worry. On the right side of the screen, the chart editor should open automatically. In the Setup section of that panel, look for the Chart Type drop-down menu. Click it, then choose Line Chart. This will switch your chart to the correct format. A line graph works best when your timeline is in the first column and your values are arranged neatly in the columns next to it. So if something looks off, double-check that your data is structured correctly. Clean formatting in the sheet usually leads to better chart results, and that's it. You've created a line graph in Google Sheets using your data and adjusted the chart type if needed. This is a quick way to visualize trends and make your information more meaningful. Thanks for watching.